Welcome to Space Searcher. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery validating Einstein's predictions about black holes. Scientists have observed a key phenomenon around black holes called the plunging region, where matter spirals into the abyss at near-light speeds. This critical area, just beyond the stable orbits around a black hole, was theorized by Einstein in his general relativity. Utilizing advanced X-ray data, researchers at Oxford University have now confirmed this dynamic process, providing the first ever visual evidence of matter taking its final plunge into a black hole. This confirmation not only supports Einstein's theories, but also opens new avenues for understanding the most powerful gravitational fields in our galaxy. Stay tuned to Space Searcher for more updates on how these findings reshape our understanding of the cosmos.